Here we are in page 21 with special triangles, numbers 9 through 20. Special 30, 60, 90. So we're always going to do a 30, a 60, and a 90 on these triangles, on the A, B, and the C. And the 45, 45, 90 triangles are going to be 45 degrees here, 45 degrees down here, and then the X and the Y and the Z. Now the shortcut was that A is always half of C. If you were to extend this out and have a 60, 60, 60 triangle, cut it exactly in half, A is half of C. And then by the Pythagorean theorem, we get that B is the square root of 3 times A. So whatever that is, if that's a 1, that'd be the square root of 3. 1 squared plus 3 squared would equal 2 squared. And over here, Z is exactly the square root of 2 times X or Y, which are exactly the same. So let's go ahead and do it. Number 9, A is 5. If A is 5, then C is 10, exactly twice that. And B is going to be 5 times the square root of 3. Good. And theta, of course, is 30. Then the very next one, number 10. If C is 30, then going backwards, A is half of that, which is 15. And we keep the same pattern, and this is 15 times the square root of 3. Okay, and alpha is going to be a 60 degrees. Great. Now 11, if X is 1, Y is 1, indeed, and Z is that times the square root of 2. And of course we have a 45 degree here. What's next? Number 12, if X is 3, this is isosceles, Y is 3 as well, and Z is going to be this times the square root of 2. Again, that would happen by Pythagorean theorem if you wanted to skip over the shortcut. And of course, beta is 45 degrees. All right, number 13. If B is 7, we have to go backwards. We have to divide by the square root of 3 to get to A. Let's write that out here. 7 divided by the square root of 3. What does that do? Well, we got to times by the square root of 3 over the square root of 3, and we get 7 square roots of 3 all over 3. Yeah, that's a little bit tougher. C is going to be twice as big as that, so it's going to be 14 square roots of 3 over 3, and of course alpha is 60 degrees. That was a little bit tougher on that one, wasn't it? So then let's try number 14. If A is 5 square roots of 11, C is exactly double that. That'd be 10 square roots of 11. And B is this times the square root of 3. That's 5 square roots of 33. Good. Oh, and of course theta is 30 degrees. Number 15. Let's try number 15. If X is Y is 3 square roots of 7. X is going to be exactly the same thing. 3 square roots of 7. Z is going to be this times the square root of 2. So that would be 3 square roots of 14. Of course, beta is going to be 45 degrees. All right, number 16. Let me see. This we have to go backwards. Z is 5, so we have to divide by the square root of 2. We'll do that out here. 5 divided by the square root of 2. We usually don't leave square roots on the bottom, so divide by square root of 2 times by square root of 2 over square root of 2, and we get 5 square roots of 2 over 2. Well, that's exactly what y is, 5 square roots of 2 over 2. They are the exact same. And of course, gamma is 45 degrees. All right, last set. Let's see what we got here. A is, we don't know, it's half of C, so it's going to be the square root of 5. B is A times the square root of 3, so that's square root of 15. And then theta is 30 degrees. Good. 18. C is 1. Let's put that guy right up there. If that's 1, A is exactly half of that. That's 1/2. That's right, 1/2. And then B is this times the square root of 3. So we get the square root of 3 times 1/2, or the square root of 3 over 2. All right, let's put that guy in there. And of course, we have that alpha is 60 degrees. This is a very, very important triangle that'll come up in the next little while, so take a good look at it. Number 19. X, we don't know what X is. Z is 10 square roots of 6. We have to divide by the square root of 2, so we get 10 square roots of 3 here, and 10 square roots of 3. It's all right, we can do that. And gamma, of course, is 45 degrees. All right, so for the last one, Number 20, we've got a hypotenuse of 1. I'm going to write this up here as our last one. Dividing by the square root of 2, you get 1 divided by the square root of 2. And let me see, we times by square root of 2 over square root of 2. And that gives us square root of 2 over 2. Yeah, that's important. Square root of 2 over 2. Yeah, let's put those down here. Square root of 2 over 2 and square root of 2 over 2. Exactly. X and Y are always the same, and that's a 45-degree angle. And again, this is going to be an incredibly important triangle later on. Good.